So today's furnace check is down in the crawl space. We've got a Heil furnace, and so far the numbers are looking steady and looking relatively clean. They're testing the unit to see if it needs to go any further, clean it, and from what I can see, looks like we're in pretty good shape here. Not finding any red flags glaring at me. I just checked my air tube and it's like it's hard for it opens. So the common failures that we have on surface calls, pressure switches, the hoses failing, and the combustion booster fan failing. So for today, this not necessarily a fun place to install a furnace, but it's the way we used to do it. Hopefully we don't do it anymore.